Hey everyone, welcome back to our Chennai 98 channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a mobile app that can help secure your online accounts. With the rise of online activity, the need for increased security has become more crucial than ever. That's where the Duo mobile app comes in. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what the Duo mobile app is, how it works, and why you should use it. So, let's get started. Firstly, what is Duo Mobile? Duo Mobile is a free app that you can download on your mobile device to help secure your online accounts. It works by providing two-factor authentication, which means that when you log into an account, you'll need to provide both your password and a verification code sent to your mobile device. This added layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. So, how does it work? Let's say you want to log into your email account. When you enter your email and password, a notification will pop up on your mobile device asking you to verify the login attempt. Once you approve the request, the verification code will be automatically entered for you, and you'll be logged in. It's that simple. One of the great things about Duo Mobile is that it works with a variety of online services, including social media, email, and banking apps. This means that you can use it to protect all of your online accounts, not just one or two. Another benefit of using Duo Mobile is that it's incredibly easy to set up. All you need to do is download the app, create an account, and follow the simple instructions to link your accounts. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's set up, you can rest assured that your accounts are secure. Aside from its basic two-factor authentication feature, the Duo mobile app has some additional features that can make your online accounts even more secure. One of these is the ability to set up a trusted device list. This means that you can specify which devices are allowed to access your accounts. So, if someone tries to log in from an unrecognized device, they won't be able to get in, even if they have your password. Another feature of the app is its ability to provide push notifications for authentication requests. This means that instead of waiting for a code to be sent to your phone, you can simply tap a button to approve the login attempt. It's a small feature, but it can make logging in a lot faster and more convenient. The Duo mobile app also has a built-in feature called Duo Restore. This allows you to back up your Duo protected accounts to the cloud, so if you ever lose or upgrade your phone, you can easily restore your accounts to your new device without having to go through the hassle of setting everything up again. Overall, the Duo mobile app is a powerful tool that can help protect your online accounts from unauthorized access. With its easy setup process, versatile features, and straightforward interface, it's definitely worth checking out. In summary, the Duo mobile app is an essential tool for anyone who wants to secure their online accounts. With its two-factor authentication and ease of use, it provides an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. So, if you haven't already, be sure to download the app and start using it today. Download link given description. Before we wrap up, we'd like to ask you to consider subscribing to our channel, Chennai 98. We create content like this regularly to help you stay informed and entertained. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.